Burping. Shit. That baby. Gave Denise a bath. She sleep. My sister called me. I could barely understand what she was saying on the phone. And I said, what did she say? You wet? And at that point, you wet? She just started screaming at me. I lost it. Mama tired. I lost it. I said, oh, they're going to kill my children. They said you told us what's Wisconsin. First thing that I thought of, because they had the answer was, is he still alive? The only thing that we knew was they said as soon as he got there, he was going to immediately.